Finding the right key for a lock can be difficult, and if there are dozens of locks, the task becomes simply impossible. But it's also a good way to protect yourself from burglars. At first glance, it seems like someone is trying to cut a large piece of rubber, but what's actually happening is the blade of the knife being tempered in a special silicone solution. This miracle machine is designed for navigating flooded rice fields, and for this task, there's simply no better option. It handles it perfectly. It turns out, with the help of a simple device, only two people can move a concrete slab. This guy has excellent athletic ability, as he climbs up with such agility that it seems he could manage it even without a ladder. This guy is probably the absolute champion of sausage weaving, and he enjoys it. Everyone has seen videos of making tables from epoxy resin, but a staircase made of epoxy resin, that's something new, and it really is a great way to create unique pieces with complex shapes. With this device, you can create a wood texture even on a concrete surface. If anyone knows what was engraved on this marble plaque, please write in the comments. Sometimes, monotony at work becomes boring, and you have to entertain yourself. It's a good idea to uproot a stump with a pickup truck. The main thing is not to lose the bumper in the process. Even in the wildest places, roads should be cleaned. In some countries, rotten eggs are considered a delicacy and are produced on an industrial scale. Being able to pack well and with quality is also a skill, and this woman is excellent at it. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.